Well, hello everyone. This is the extra training for the topic of habits that I put in the email last week. So we're working with habits. That's our topic. This is from the 100 topic challenge. Preparation is key. Answer plus your ideas, thoughts, opinions, and experiences. This is step 1 in my 3-step process. I call it Table It because you use a table. This is a table to organize your speaking. Now, 5 ways to say it because there is more than one way to say the same thing. Habit, routine, regular thing, custom, practice. I chose custom, habit, and regular thing. Now, when it's your turn, you'll do the same thing. Choose one of these words and put it here so you remember. Then do your answer your answer plus. This is a fabulous way to prepare for conversations because when you are in a conversation, that is not practice. That's the real deal, as we say. So here's my example. Custom. My morning custom is to wait 1 hour to use the internet. I take care of my cats and do 1 load of wash. I have a very enjoyable breakfast. I'm telling you, this custom is my golden hour. I can relax, enjoy myself. There is no need to get lost on the internet the first thing in the morning. So I get a chance to wake up and start my day feeling really good that I accomplished taking care of my cats and maybe doing some wash or vacuuming and have a very enjoyable breakfast. Habit. My habit is to eat something raw to start my day. Raw food is full of energy. I started this in 2012. So maybe it's a piece of cucumber, a raw walnut or raw almonds, a piece of lettuce, something raw, not cooked, so that I get the energy of the food. This has helped me stay healthy since 2012. I get healthier and healthier and healthier. It's a really great habit. Regular thing. It's my regular thing to get off the internet 30 minutes before bed. I stretch and relax. I fall asleep quickly. I'm always shocked at how quickly I fall asleep. I wake up in the morning and think, wow, I don't even remember falling asleep. Now, of course, there are some times I do toss and turn, but most of the time, the stretching helps me relax. I have a bad left knee, so I have to stretch. And getting off the internet 30 minutes before bed really